Welcome to our guide on effective smartphone multitasking. In this video, we'll explore tips and tricks for using split screen and floating apps to boost productivity on your mobile device. Learn how to juggle multiple tasks seamlessly and make the most out of your screen real estate. Let's start. The base multitasking feature is called split screen, and any Android smartphone should have it, although the how to enable part may differ from device to device. Typically, you will need to first open the first app that you would like to split your screen with or using which, like this one for example. Then go into the Recent Apps menu, tap at its icon or three dots, depends on the exact phone you have. Then select the split screen option, select second app, and here you have it. Now you can simultaneously watch a YouTube video and read a news article, or chat with friends and scroll through your favorite social media app. Another great multitasking feature is called floating or pop-up windows. It allows you to minimize an app and hover it on top of another app you are using in normal mode. From my personal experience, it is the best multitasking layout for watching video while doing some productivity work, pretty much a smartphone alternative with a picture-in-picture function. Third and last multitasking technique I will share today is edge panels. Once again, the function is called differently from phone to phone, though the feature itself remains the same. It allows you to add an edge panel with apps, shortcuts, and other useful things, having all the most important tools at your fingertips. That'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye!